Wake up. Wake up.
Oh, what?
There's some mail in there. We have to check.
Mail?
Yeah, there is mail.
I'm gonna go check.
Okay.
Got a letter.
Oh, okay. It says, join us in Monkey's playtimeCo. Maybe we should go there.
That? Maybe. What's the address?
Well, it's 298 playtimeCo, Poppy Playtime. We should eat our lunch first.
Yeah, I'm just gonna.
Can I have one of the carrots?
What?
Can I have one of your carrots? I'm just gonna throw it.
Carrot?
Yeah, I love
You
carrots.
Carrots? You love carrots. I have some carrots. I don't want them.
Okay, I'm gonna throw my sandwich.
Okay.
All right, let's go to Monkey Playtime. Go.
Yeah, I've never heard of Monkey Playtime before.
Yeah, you did? Actually, you did. Okay. I don't know what this place is. This is like
Maybe.
Poppy Playtime, Monkey's Playtime Chapter 2. We don't need to go there. Let's go.
Yeah.
Alright. We remember this place before. Oh, there's Huggy.
Wow, he's actually bigger than I expected. Like, all the way up there.
Yeah, I know. We just gotta get some toys in there. Ooh, the Mommy Long Legs toy.
Look at it. It's a little miniature Huggy Wuggy.
Where did Huggy go?
He's so cute. Huggy? Where is he? Wait, no.
What the frick?
Wait,
he was just
okay,
there. Wait.
Okay.
What the heck?
Okay, wait. Maybe I should. Is there security cameras here? Something. And why is it so quiet in here anyway?
I don't know. Let's see Huggy Wuggy. Run!
Run!
Hide. Hide. He's gone.
He's gone?
Yeah, he is gone.
I'm so happy.
Is there something on the second floor? Because we didn't check it.
Yeah, how are we gonna get up there? Call stop.
Monkey's Playtime got updated last year.
Wow. Why is there broken glass?
We just threw a rock in the glass and we just broke it last time.
Oh, yeah, I remember being here, but it was actually a long time ago. I didn't completely remember. Oh, smart. Not even covered with this Christmas lights anymore. Anything up here?
Ooh.
No.
Ooh,
What's
look at this
this?
cool toy.
Whoa. It looks like a helmet. But
Okay.
cool.
Wait, it has a tag.
A tag?
Kissy Missy.
Who's Kissy Missy?
Kissy Missy's
Wait,
nice.
What?
Kissy, are you trying to kill me?
Wait.
He said no, so that means he's nice.
Oh,
Come here, Kissy.
Well,
Kissy, come here. We need to hide for Huggy. He's just trying to kill us all.
hold on, I'm gonna go talk to Kissy Missy over here. Okay, over here. Oh, okay. She says Huggy Wuggy only attacks at midnight, and it's like 5.
It's like 5. It's like 3 a.m. or something. It's gonna be attacking us.
Yeah. But like for some reason, she said she actually feels
Huggy's there.
more-
Huggy's there. Huggy's there.
Shh.
He's going to first floor. Okay, that's our chance. Go.
Happens pretend he come looked at me.
He's gone.
He
Whoa.
looked at me.
What's behind?
Isn't it?
It's like this is Poppy Playtime Chapter 3. It's gonna be a new map.
Wait, see, Missy said to me, he said, if I look like her, and, Huggy really doesn't like kiss. That's probably why he walked up. Very close. And looked up. Well, I'm gonna get in here.
I don't know. Look, it's been blocked. This is the winter cosmetics. They added the Poppy Playtime to Gorilla Tag.
Look at it. It's, wait.
He's coming.
I've never seen this. Pretend by accident I forgot to hide.
Alright, I'm hiding. But then you're scared.
What these toys are. Let's go.
His voice is scary.
I hear that.
He sees us! Run! Hide!
I'm hiding.
Come on! Come on! Come on! Hey!
Where are all my cosmetics?
He knows
Where are
Gorilla
these
Tag.
little toys down here? I'm musking in my shadow, but some little statue boys now. Let's go.
He's in the statue. He's nice now. Let's go.
Huggy's right there.
I mean, Huggy's right there.
Hey, what are you doing?
Block up that. Oh, block their entrance off. Block it. Block it. I'll block this. I'm gonna go chase. Okay, you go in there.
Oh my god, he's coming! He's trying to break out! Unlock this door! Oh, hide!
Where are you, Austin and Zoe?
He knows his name.
He knows your name. Your name.
Let's go! Hey, I hear you, Austin! He stalls me! Run!
Run! I'll distract him. Hey, Huggy Wuggy, come here.
It's Kissy Missy.
You'll never get me alive.
Wait a second, that's not Kissy Missy. That's Zoe.
Oh my god, he knew this! He's not kissing Missy! I mean, you're not kissing Missy! Oh my god! Go to chapter 2! Go to chapter 2! Go to chapter 2! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Go, 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 go! Go, go! I'm gonna punch you, Huggy Wuggy! Ah! He goes...
Come on. Are you okay?
Hey! Oh, skinny Joey. Mommy, run legs.
Oh no, it's really oh my, really every single nightmare.
It's my freaking sicko nightmare.
Are you okay? Did you get hurt or something?
Ow. Yeah, I did. Huggy just scratched my freaking eye. Ow, man.
Wait, let me see your eye. Oh, grabs a bandage that he always keeps.
Thank you. My
It'll
right
heal
eye
after
just
a few
hurt
hours.
right now. Ooh, what is this? What is this?
Wonder. I don't know. Wait, she's coming. Get in the building.
Okay. Oh my god!
Come on, get back here.
Where are you? I knew you're here. Achoo! Who's there? Steve! Run! Punch Mommy on the legs! I'll distract her!
Okay. He's okay.
Hey, Mommy Onyx, come here! Ah! I punched her. Let's go. Hide. Hide. He turns powerful.
Pretend I put pretend I grab one of the toys and put it on your head.
Okay.
Ooh, what are these toys up to?
What the frick?
Austin and Zoe, I know your toys! Run! Hey, get back here!
No, mommy won't like that.
No, he fell. Okay, go get him. Oh no. Please say this leaf can catch me.
I'm okay now.
Okay, go get him. Falls down, almost falls. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm coming.
Okay. Come on, I think this is a sweet spot. I need you to get up here. Okay. Wait, so what happened? Did you fall there?
Yeah.
Anything there?
Mommy almost pushed me down.
Wait, did
Yeah, I did! Get your stupid!
Excuse me, Mama Max, I'm gonna get your ass, man.
Ah, no, please!
Not even gay. Getting the bitchin' grinder, man. He's dead. I mean, she's dead. She's dead. Let's go back to Monkey's playtime. She's dead. Let's go.
Huggy Wuggy is coming.
Oh my freaking God, not Huggy Wuggy.
Go, go, go.
Go to her house. Go to her house.
I don't think I'm gonna make it. Behind me. Grabs her leg. No, and I'm grabbing my leg.
Hey,
For me.
Huggy Wuggy, stop!
I'm scared. Gets in the corner because I'm scared.
Jesus Christ, man.
I'm just
I
going
could have
back
died.
to Monkey's playtime.
He's gone.
Looks with telescope. He's walking in. I think we should get some rest, actually.
Okay.
Why do you look like me? And why do you look like me? Is this a copy or something? Woo-woo.
I hear that!
Pretends to be us. Hi, how are you doing today?
Yeah, how are you doing today?
I wish you could get back.
He's gone.
I think we need to go to bed, actually. I'm so tired.
Yeah, if it's morning, Huggy's gonna be gone. It's morning. Wake up. It's morning. It's morning. Huggy's gone now. No Monkey's playtime anymore. None anymore.
Okay.
I'm destroy it. We could go play Gorilla Tag now. We're back in Gorilla Tag. We're not even human. We were human last time. And we turned into a Gorilla Tag monkeys.
Mm-hmm. I haven't done this in a while. Oh, man. Dang it. Are you okay?
dude.
Oh, branch.
What? What do you think I was doing? No, this can't be happening. No. No, I'm Huggy. No!
Gets up in the tree before Huggy Wuggy notices I'm in the tree. Oh, come on. Oh no. Wait, pause the roleplay. Pause the roleplay. I have to go.